What's up guys? In this video I'm going to tell you how to replace the door lock actuator in the 99 to 04 Mustang GT. There isn't many to even any videos on how to do this, except maybe replacing the switch that's right here, and we're not just going to replace that switch, we're replacing the actual actuator. When I go to press the unlock button, you hear stuff moving but it's not doing anything. So that's what we're going to fix today. So far, to take off the door panel, we need a flathead, or Phillips head, and a flathead. That's the other piece in my hand. First, you can come to the bottom of the door, and you need to move that little clip right there. They make tools that make this job a lot easier, so if you can get that, that would be fantastic. You may have to get two hands in there like I did. Finally it's going to come out. Alright, so that's right there. It's not connected to the door anymore. Now you need to get that flathead and gently pry on here. You want to get inside that little hole and pry outwards so it comes out. That pulls up. So this pries up. There you go. There's a little clip that goes into this hole right here. Then you want to unplug all this stuff. That's when the flathead comes in handy. That comes out. This piece is set to the side. Don't break it because those cheap plastic pieces are actually kind of pricey for how cheap they are, because no one makes them. Now, there's a few Phillips head bolts right inside of here. There's one hole right here and one hole right there. They don't line up with the mesh, but they do come out. That bolt is coming out sideways. That's fantastic. I'm gonna see if I can remove the door without moving this Mach 1 or Mach sound system. But last thing we need to do is remove this door piece right here. Just go all the way around. Start from the bottom, kind of maneuver around, just like that. Now let's see. The door panel should pick all the way up and out. You just gotta pick it up and it comes out. As odd as it is, this does not come off, and I'm kind of happy with that. So remove this from the sound deadening, set the door panel to the side. Now, this push to the side as well. We're replacing these guys. Not sure if you'll be able to see, but it's literally right here where my hand is. You'll be able to see it whenever you get your hand down here. So the idea behind this actuator is right here. You have this metal rod, like this metal lock piece that shows up on top, right here, that comes all the way down, and it connects to this piece right here within the door. So what you need to do is release the hole on this rod off of here. Then the actuator should be in this type of orientation, and you want to pull that way to release it from the clips right here. So it's connected to the door by this and this. It's inside this orientation, so you want to pull out and release it all. I've used this guy like 5 times already today. This is the old actuator. As you can tell, it has no type of anything going on. What I did, I got the screwdriver, put it in right here, and I twisted it, right? So this piece is against the door right here, so I put the screwdriver right here between the metal and the actuator, and I twisted it, right? And it popped right off. So let's do the opposite and just put this back on. Well, make sure you line up the hole on the lock with the stick on the actuator. Don't know the best way to explain that, but that's what you gotta do. So it took a minute to wedge this piece into the hole on the lock. So that's what was the most pain in the ass in this one. Nice, nice. Just grab the door card. Once you set this piece right here, set that piece right there, and get this guy in here. Now, there's clips on this door that we want to put in the holes, right? So you put the clips in the holes. So wedge out the door a little bit. Find the holes for the clips, right? Wedge it underneath the tweeter on this side. Have this side up, right? So wedge it underneath the tweeter, this side is up. So you can connect the rest of the clips on this side of the door. Now keep in mind, it's not easy. So it's up. Try to keep this within that hole. Alright, so door card is somewhat in now. So it's still not on. You might want to, work a little bit on this side. Alright, it's now in. So you put this little plastic piece that we pulled out, push it back in. Grab the 2 bolts that were inside the cup or the handle. You can put the handle, the door handle thing back in, scratch it in. Clips back in. Now once again, be very careful with this. Put these bolts back in. Clips on the bottom, so bottom first, then this clip broke. I didn't do anything to make it break. That's what I'm talking about, it's so brittle. But luckily, it's just fine. So now, time to do the other side. It was really more of a pain in the ass than anything, but it wasn't that bad. Just really finesse it. Take your time because you don't want to break any of the plastic pieces on the door because it's expensive to replace. But yeah, that's how you install a door actuator and put the door panel back on. And there's like no video on how to do that step by step. Finally, I get to have working door locks, so that's pretty exciting. If this helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe. This is AutoMotivate. Always appreciate one another. I'll see you next time.